What's up everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing on my brand new Craftsman combo set. Alright, so my fiance got this for me for Father's Day. Pretty funny story is that Father's Day is not until another 2 weeks. So she told me to put something in her car. So I went over there to go put it in her car and it was in it. So she was like, "You're fine, just have it now instead of for Father's Day." But I want to say thank you to my fiance. This is awesome. This is my first tool set. Not really tool set, but like, yeah, it's a tool set. Tools, you know. I've had a tool. I shared a tool set with my brother. So this is finally mine. And let's do an unboxing. Come on. All right, guys. So I'm gonna use my knife and open this box up. I'll put the link on the description where she got it from. She got it at Lowe's. So I'll put the Lowe's link. Also, I'll put the Amazon link for this, if they have a link for this. So because I know people like buying from Amazon using their Prime, but I'll also put where she got it from for Lowe's. So let's open it up. Wow. This came with a manual with a saw. Now, I'll put the pictures up and the names of the tools right here so you guys know which ones I'm talking about. So we got this Craftsman bag, tool bag. Pretty dope. As you guys can see, it's packaged nice. All right. Wow. So I'm not gonna turn them on because I have to charge the battery. But yeah. That's one. This is two. The light. Jesus Christ. Dude. So my fiance says she wants me to start building things. That's why she bought this for me. Not just this tool, but all the other tools also. Okay, we got a bag right here. For the, I don't know what tool it's for, but we'll put that to the side. This comes out. All right. Dude, this is, oh my God. Wow. This looks amazing, guys. It really does. Yeah. This is amazing. Just the quality of it feels so good. Here's the saw. Trying to show the camera is pretty weird, but never hold it from the bottom. That is awesome. That is awesome. The last, which is awesome, came with 2 batteries. Got one right here. Focus, focus. The other one, got 2 batteries. our charging port. Boom. There you go. All right, guys, so we'll go to the computer and I'll show you from Lowe's how much it cost. Let's go. Power tool combo kit, 6-piece. So $249. Comes with all this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me a like and subscribe on the bottom right here. And hopefully I'll do more reviews and see you guys in the next one. Peace.